Hello, dear children. Greetings to you all. Hope you all are safe and secure at home. This class, we are going to learn the continuity part of the lesson Who Did Patrick's Homework? Before that, I am going to ask few questions of our previous class. Let us discuss about our previous homework. Children, once you check your homework, okay, now I am going to say the answer. See here, first we are going to check the answers from across. See here, very tired. What is this? Very tired. What is the answer? See here, very. W-E-A-R-Y. Very. Okay. And the second question is, add an angry look on the face. What is that? Scowled. S-C-O-W-L-E-D. Scowled. Next, the third question is short trousers. See here, breeches. B-R-E-E-C-H-E-S. And the fourth question, a fault in a machine that prevents it from working properly. Fourth question answer is glitch. See, glitch. And the fifth one, a small and naughty boy fairy. What is that? Fifth one, elf. Okay. And see the down one. Sixth question, work that must be done every day, often boring. What is that? Sixth one. See here. Chores. Okay. And the seventh one, a basket with the lid. A basket with the lid. What is the answer? Seventh one. See here. Amper. Okay. And the eighth question. Gave a short, high-pitched cry. Eighth one. See here. Shrieked. What is that? Shriek. Now children, let us have a quick revise of our previous class. Okay. See children, in this lesson, we have learned about Patrick. So let us revise here. This lesson is about a lazy boy. What's his name? Patrick. He was interested in basketball, Nintendo, and other games. One day, a cat was playing with a doll. When Patrick grabbed the doll, luckily it was a tiny man. And the tiny man promised him to complete all the work of Patrick. But the elf was finding difficult to do the homework because he didn't learn about humanity, maths and other subjects. So the tiniest man made Patrick to help him. Here, let's see how did Patrick start to do his work. Children, now I am going to read out the lesson. So take your book and observe the lesson and you practice at home. Okay? And look at the seventh stanza. See children, as a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever. And was it a drag? He was staying up nights and never felt so weary. Underline the word weary, children. Underline this word. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Underline the word blurry. B-L-E-A-R-Y. Okay. Look at the eighth stanza. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slowly slipped out the back door. Look at the ninth stanza. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teacher smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Look at the 10th stanza, children. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Children, this lesson is written by Carol Moore. Okay. Now I am going to explain the lesson. Children, see here, 7th one. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. See here, as a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. What is the meaning of nag? One who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. Here, see, that elf doesn't know to do his homework. So every time he was asking Patrick to do help. So he was asking him to get the book. He was asking him to read out the word. So it was in this way elf was troubling Patrick. Patrick was working harder than ever. Before that, Patrick was not interested to do his work. Now, what happened? Now, elf is writing his homework, but Patrick is helping elf. Now here you see children, he started to work harder and harder every day than ever. Before he was not doing his work. Now he started to work. He started to read the book. He started to get the books. And was it a drag? What is the meaning of drag? Something dull and uninteresting. So children, he was staying up nights. So to do his homework. So he was staying up nights. Had never felt so weary. So what is the meaning of weary, children? Tired. So he was so tired of reading whole day and night. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. What is the meaning of puffed, children? It is swollen eye. Okay, puffed eye, swollen eye, and blurry. What is the meaning of blurry? This is tired. So he started to work day and night, and morning his eyes were puffed and blurry. And see children, finally the last day of school, 35th day. So he had asked with help to do help of 35 days, isn't it? Now finally he reached the last day, 35th day. So the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. Now see, the elf is so happy to be free because see, as for homework there was no more because he had completed all the homework. So he quietly in the sense silently, and slily in the sense children, secretly slipped out the back door. That elf escaped from the back door. Okay. Now look at the ninth one. Patrick got his A grade. So because of the hard work, because of his homework, Patrick got his A grade. His classmates were amazed. His friends were amazed. Amazed means surprised, because before that he was not doing any homework. He was not proper in his work. Now see, after lots of struggle and studying harder, he got A grades in all the subjects. So all the friends were amazed. Amazed means they were surprised. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. They started to appreciate Patrick. And his parents were wondered of his homework and his work and his grades. And see, they wondered that had happened. See what had happened to Patrick. See, all were shocked. See, totally he has changed, right? Before he was not interested to do his homework. Now see, he started to work hard. So here you see, he was now the model kid. What is the meaning of kid, children? It is a child. So now he is the model kid. He started to clean his room. See, cleaned his room and did his chores. What's the meaning of chores? Work that must be done every day. Every day he started to finish his work and was cheerful. He was the very happiest child and never rude. He was polite. He was not rude. And like he had developed a whole new attitude. Totally, he changed his attitude. Before he was very lazy. Now he started to do his work. He started to clean his room. He started to do, he did his chores. And he was a cheerful. And he never rude. And see children, totally he developed a whole new attitude. Okay, now look at the 10th one, children. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. Isn't it, children? Here, see, Patrick made tiny man to do all his homework. Do you think that tiny man had done all the work, or Patrick? Yes, see here children, but I'll share a secret. Yes, see there is one secret just between you and me. What is the secret you know? It was not the elf. See, elf, see, it was saying to get, it was saying with the Patrick to get the book, to read out. Actually, who was doing the work? Who was doing all the work? Patrick, isn't it? Just elf was guiding. So here see, it wasn't the elf. So Patrick had done it himself. Patrick, he started to work hard. He started to do all his work. Because of his hard work, because of his struggle, he had got A grade in all the subjects and he had got good name in a school. Okay. So, in this lesson children, we have learned hard work gives success. Okay. Now children, this is your turn. I am going to give few questions. So, you have to answer your own. Children, look at this. Page number 11. This is your homework. Try to answer for these questions. Okay. Here see. First question. What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? This is the first question. And the second question is. Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? The third question is. What was Patrick's wish? So, I am going to give 3 questions. For first question, second question and the third question. You try to answer for these questions. Okay.